Well, the Russian government's revenue from oil and natural gas exports fell in August despite a rise in crude prices and a depreciating ruble, driven largely by government subsidies for the country's refineries. Now, the finance ministry reported a 4.3% decrease in oil and gas revenues to $6.6 billion in the 2018 budget. Bloomberg estimates that the nation's hydrocarbon revenues would have increased on an annual basis if not for the large increase in subsidy payments to fuel producers last month. The Kremlin conflict in Ukraine and the ensuing Western sanctions have put stress on Russia's oil and gas sector, which provides about a third of the country's government income. To restrict Moscow's capacity to fund its military aggression with petrodollars, the group of 7 industrialized countries set a price restriction on Russian petroleum and goods. On Monday, the price of Brent crude oil, used as a benchmark for the international oil market, rose to nearly $90 a barrel. Now, this increase comes as OPEC Plus partners Saudi Arabia and Russia cut supplies to boost prices. China, a major consumer, has ramped up measures to shore up the economy, adding reasons to be hopeful about the future of demand. The average price of a barrel of Russia's Urals crude mix was $74 last month, above the G7 $60 threshold for the second month in a row. The price differential between a Russian Ural and Brent has shrunk to $12.2 a barrel, down from $28.6 in April. Oil sales transacted in foreign currencies have benefited from the ruble's severe fall. The average rate of exchange for the US dollar last month was 95.5 rubles, up from 60.3 rubles a year. Experts say one of the ruble's worth of losses adds up to 100 to 120 billion rubles to the Russian government's coffers, used over the course of a year. In August, petrol sales grew by 14.5% year over year, reaching 130.9 billion rubles. Meanwhile, Indian refineries reported that the Urals discount to the dated Brent benchmark oil had shrunk too much, prompting a reduction in September imports of the grade. Still, despite Russian oil price increase in August, India remained Moscow's largest importer of Urals.